EFI Live Auto Cal V3 DPF Delete Tuner GM Duramax Diesel LMM/LML07-16. Read more description. Availability in stock. Custom program. Could take up to 5 business days to ship. Vehicle fitment: 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016 Chevy, GMC Duramax Diesel 6.6 liters LMM and LML Silverado, Sierra. Power levels: 30 horsepower, 60 horsepower, 90 horsepower, 120 horsepower, 150 horsepower. Includes DSP-5 rotary switch to change power levels on the fly. Diesel particulate filter, DPF. The EFI Live Auto Cal is a DPF delete capable tuner. The DPF must be removed when installing the EFI Live. DPF delete pipe. Catalytic converter, C80-. We recommend doing a cat delete at the same time as the DPF delete. Diesel oxidation catalyst, DOC-. If equipped, the DOC can be deleted. Selective catalytic reduction, SCR-. If equipped, the SCR can be deleted. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR-. The EFI Live Auto Cal V3 will deactivate the EGR system. The EGR valve and EGR cooler can remain installed but unplugged from any wiring harness or can be completely removed with an EGR delete kit. We recommend completely removing the EGR system, but either option is available. Diesel exhaust fluid, DEF-. 2013 plus trucks in stock form require DEF. This will no longer be required when installing an EFI Live. The DEF tank can be removed completely or the wiring harness can just be unplugged. Diagnostic trouble codes: check engine light. The EFI Live Auto Cal will prevent any emission-related DTCs or check engine light from setting. However, if some other issue comes up, you will still be alerted. DTCs can be checked, cleared. Fuel mileage: expect to see a significant fuel mileage gains. If your DPF is plugged up, you're probably averaging about 13 to 14 miles per gallon. More or less depending on the severity of the restriction. Order yours today. If you have any questions about our products or our service detail, please feel free to mail us. support@DPFDeleteShops.com. www.DPFDeleteShops.com. Thanks for watching.